Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It has been long since I posted something on my YouTube channel, and I want to show you something that I bought, and I will explain to you a little bit. So cheers guys. I know you can hear the music background or some people talking, some people they are watching TV. There's a skiing race, so they are there watching. Okay, so guys, let me tell you something. I wanted to buy something from Hermès concerning the bag, not Kelly and not Becky, Picota. And guys, the whole Switzerland, no bag. That time, that was in February. And we went in the afternoon, and then in the morning, somebody said, oh, in the morning there was one bag actually, and somebody bought. Just imagine the system which is there now concerning Hermes. I've read a lot of things on online, and yeah, I know they always like there to protect their brand and everything, but yeah, I have like Hermes, something I bought from France, something I bought from Italy, and also here, but you know when I want a bag, and then it's just so difficult. So I went there, I wanted a bag and also something else. So I ended up something else that I also wanted, not just I went there like I want a bag. No, I went there to buy a bag and something else, because I know what it is when it comes to Kelly or baking. So guys, I will show you what I bought. Something simple because of my dresses. That's the reason why I was like, I'm going to buy this, because the other belts that I had, they are not something that's for classy, for elegant. They're not for that. So guys, cheers. Okay, let me put down and then I'll show you. So guys, here we go, and I will show you just some simple things, not so much. So we are going to open this together. So I kind of like open, I'm not that good in doing certain things. Yeah, so let me just show you what's in here. And then you can see, and the reason I bought, because of my dresses, certain dresses, and also I have other belts which are not so elegant and classy. I don't like something that is always like written, like, oh, from this brand. It doesn't look nice. It looks tacky, something like that. Yeah, so that's why I'm like, if I have to wear this type of belt, it's to do with casual, not to do with something elegant. Yeah. So I had to buy this small thing for my, for the belt. So this is just a small thing, the belt, like I needed something. And, I have two possibility, and the reason, let me show you. There's nothing here like showing the brand logo and everything. So when you have this one, it's just class, elegant, you are there walking, not something tacky, not something showing like, oh, this person is wearing like that. Same as when I'm wearing Hermes Oran slippers here. So everyone knows this, because of the H and everything. So the other thing that I got from red lipstick, the same one which is here, because I knew that it will finish soon. I can buy online, but sometimes it's really difficult to find online. This is my favorite. I used one time, I used Chanel, I use a lot of brands, but it's my lips, they're so sensitive. And this one has been really good for the past like 4 years. Yeah, for the past 4 years I've been using this one, and it's really, really good. Yeah. So this is the one for this year. I'm going to use, you know, because the one I bought last year, kind of like it to finish very soon, yeah, because I love to apply, you know, on my lips like almost every day, you know. Even if I'm at home, I need, you know, to look like a lady. That's sometimes, yeah, not always, but sometimes, yeah. So let me just try to show you how I'm going to put, and I'll show you, you know, this dress, I bought this dress kind of like 13 years ago, and now it's a little bit tight. When I bought it, it wasn't so tight, so now it's a little bit tight. So I'm going to show you first. Yeah, I was a little bit smaller 13 years ago, and now I'm not smaller anymore. Yeah, so let me show you. See, it's too tight. Yeah, so now, okay, now we are done. This one looks more elegant. So this is more elegant. This is the reason why I was like, I'm going to buy this. You see, this is more elegant. Yeah. Yeah. Okay, guys. So this is what I wanted to show you for now. And this, yeah, this is from the Hermès. Okay, guys. Bye.